Hello, it's me, Ruby Elaine, but you can call me Ellie. Chink!
Hey lovelies! I'd like to share how I detox my face after a stressful week or when I just feel that my skin deserves more TLC. Syempre, kailangan natin yun. First, I start off with my cleanser that saved my face and my skin, ha? This is Timewise 3D 4-in-1 cleanser. Tamad din ako. At minsan pagod na para mag-skincare sa gabi. And this cleanser perfectly gives all my skin needs in just one wash. 4-in-1 stands for cleanse, exfoliate, tone, and brighten. This is my holy grail when it comes to battling with impurities. The Clearproof Deep Cleansing Charcoal Mask. Besti ko rin ito pag may pasbong akong pimples or may pimples na hindi pa pumuputok. Diba? Masakit yun. Grabe, sobrang hassle. Best din ito for blackheads, whiteheads, open pores, excess oiliness ng skin, lalo pag combination to oily skin like mine. This has activated charcoal, which is a well-known exfoliant na pinupull out ng impurities deep within your pores, and it helps in unclogging your pores too. Meron din siyang kaolin and bentonite clay, which works great in absorbing excess oil and reduce shine at nagpapaliit pa ng mga pores kasi may onting higpit feeling when you are using this. Ano pa? Meron din itong honeysuckle and navy bean extract, which is a patent from Mary Kay na nag-address naman ng skin discoloration. Powerful combination itong dalawa na to para mabura ang bakas ng nakaraan at maka-move on na tayo sa future. Char! And while waiting for it to dry, let's open my gifts from last seminar 2022. Every year, for your information, my lovelies, Mary Kay Philippines conducts an annual awards night called Philippines Seminar 2022 or whatever year it will be conducted in. If you want to watch my vlog and see what happens on a special night like this, click the link. I received 2 gifts from Mary Kay. Sobrang tagal nitong dumating because of shipment issues, pero it is always worth the wait. Kahit anong galing kay Mary Kay, ay worth the wait. This gift is for achieving the pearl level ladder of success, and super cute nito. Oh my god. I've always wanted the bumblebee jewelry kasi napaka-iconic nito sa Mary Kay, and I'll put here kung anong meaning sa amin ng bumblebee. And this, oh my god, this one, this is the most special talaga. This gift naman is for qualifying for Courts of Personal Sales Director category. So happy with these gifts. Next year, mas marami pa to. Itataga ko na sa bato. I'm manifesting right now and claiming to the universe and to God. By the way, you should use this mask 1 to 3 times per week lang depending on your skin concern. And that does not only apply to this mask but all exfoliants you're going to use on your skin. Tapos, tutuyuin nyo lang itong mask nito sa skin mo for about 20 to 30 minutes and you'll see na na-pull out na yung impurities without the pain kasi hindi naman siya peel off. Wash off lang. Hugas-hugas lang, napakadali nito. Then after that, apply na tayo ng toner. Itong Timewise Moisture Renewing Softener, parang nasa gitna siya ng pagiging toner at essence. Of course, our favorite! You know that your skin loves serum! Grabe ang improvement ng skin ko by just using these serums. And it has been 2 weeks pa lang, OMG. At the end of this video, papakita ko ang skin analysis ko kasi pati ako nagulat sa results. Since it's my exfoliation day, I'd like to add one more step for my skin to absorb all the nutrients from everything we apply. Gamitin natin ang isa sa pinaka-memorable gift sa akin ni Mary Kay, itong Rose Gold Crystal Face Roller. And to seal it all, para di naman sayang pinaghirapan natin, let's apply Timewise 3D Night Cream. I promised to show you my skin analysis report before and after, so here. You'll see na umakyat na ng 84 points sa skin analysis ko from 80. Partida, 2 weeks pa lang natin consistently ginagamit ng Clinical Solutions Boosters. If you want to try the skin analysis, I'll link it here. Hope you enjoyed and learned a lot. See you on my next video. Bye!